Hi, my name is Richard, and in this video I will introduce the advanced access control features of Predor. We can create anti-passback rules, configure master locks, set head count limits, enable multi-card access, and create random checking rules. Anti-passback rules can be created for controllers or globally. For controller level settings, the rule method can be warning only, hold up, block, or hard blocking. In the case of warning only, the system generates an event upon violation. For the hold-up, the person cannot pass through the affected reader for the specified duration. For the block, the system prevents the person from passing through until identification has occurred at the required points. In the case of hard blocking, the person's access is disabled at all readers until approval. When defining the area, we must select at least one entry and one exit reader through which the system monitors movement. Exceptions can be also specified for each area to which the rule will not apply. For global level settings, when selecting the methods, the timed warning and time blocking options are available in addition to the controller level settings. In the case of timed warning, if a person passes through an entry point that they have already passed through within the specified time, the system generates an event. In the case of time blocking, in addition to the event, the system prevents access for the specified duration. When defining the area, we can choose from the access zones defined in the system. We can restrict the application of the rule to the borders, or allow it for all readers located in the zones. Master lock areas can be defined for controllers and globally. After configuring the area, we can select the master users who can lock the affected area by swiping their card, or we can also select an AUX input to activate the master lock. In the case of global setting, the outward and internal readers can be locked. Head count limits can be set for controllers or globally. The method can be warning only, block, and tolerant. In the case of warning only, the system generates an event when the limit is reached, but several people can still enter. When using block, the system blocks further entries. With the tolerant setting, we can specify a soft limit which triggers an event when reached, and the hard limit which prevents additional people from entering the area. It's also possible to define exceptions. When configuring multi-card access, it can be specified at certain entry points to only allow entry if a specified number of people from the selected group are present. Additionally, one or more mandatory individuals can be selected. Furthermore, exceptions can be specified, allowing them to enter at any time. When we have the random checking module, it is possible to define random inspection rules for entry points. Backcheck and other inspection can be selected, which can be, for example, an ESD or weight check. For each rule, we can specify a default probability, method, and in the event of an inspection, we can also enable the reader to be for a specified duration. Depending on whether the check is successful or not, the security guard can use a button to allow or block the person's passage. The system can also send a signal to the selected AUX output during the check. We can deviate from the default probability on a per-group basis by selecting the group and specifying a percentage. Additionally, exceptions can be defined. These rules can be easily disabled or deleted. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website.